All right, we got the house down. The only thing now is to tear the slab out and yank out what we've got left of the pilings. I've got a guy who's coming in here to move this concrete out that I busted up. It's his machine over there. He hauled one load today. And this is all I got left to break up. Right here, that's the joint, and over to 6 inches from your pencil mark. My Takeuchi broke a drive chain, so I had to rent a machine to get the rest of this out. I brought my loader back in to help pull the pilings, and I used the excavator with a compactor on it to shake the pilings to loosen them in the holes. Starting to move equipment out. I've got the pilings out, and we're ready for the carpenters to come in and start laying out the new house. And that's the backyard right there with the pool there.